Hello my fellow technicians, welcome back to another exciting video on my channel. Today I have an interesting topic lined up for you. We'll be delving deep into the world of IP cameras and learning how to link them up using the TPLINK Pharaos point-to-point system. Get ready to discover a whole new level of surveillance convenience. So what we need in this type of connection, we need NVR, IP camera, TP-Link Pharaos, PoE switch, Vision, D-Link network cable. So we shall be connecting this camera to a network switch, that is PoE. Yes. And we get a cable from network switch to TP-Link Pharaos using Cat6 cable. Remember, this kind of connection we are trying to set up is because when you have a big warehouses with many blocks, you have to use, you can't run cables, long cables from point A to point B. So that's why we are using this kind of connection. You run cables to PoE switch, then you use access points to link up to the NVR. Use this TP-Link Pharaos point-to-point system. It's because it offers exceptional features and high-speed transmission capabilities with easy setup process. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to set up the TP-Link Pharaos point-to-point system. Follow my lead as I guide you through each step, ensuring a seamless installation process. Trust me, it's easier than you think. First, give your PC a static IP with the same subnet with the default IP of the access point, that is 192.168.0.225. It's a default IP for access point. Then make sure those IPs are with the same subnet with that default gateway. Yes. 192.168.0.254, and then save. Let's go into the browser to browse that default IP for the access point. Let's go. You'll be having this interface after putting that IP in the browser. So you have to put username admin, even password is admin. I'll come here and select the region. It depends the region you want, but for me I'll choose UK. I'll choose UK for this tutorial. Where is UK? Yes, it's here. Then you agree to these terms to use, and then you log in. So it brings you how to then to create a password for this access point. Username, it will be admin. New password, I'll use password of 0. Then finish. So after that, you will be into the access point. Then now you'll be into the access point. So what you do here, you have to because we want to create access point where the stations will be picking the connection for the other cameras which are on the building B. Yes, so we shall be coming here on wireless, and then we create a seed name. Create a seed name, let's say CCS. Let me see. No, let me use CNS AP. Yeah, CNS AP. And remember, this access point, it will be on the side of the NVR. Yes. So you come and create here password. I'll use a password of 0. Password of 0. No, has to be small letters. Password. Then you come here. You see, yes, CNS AP. Then no, here distance. Okay. Now you come here and select max stream. You have to enable that max stream, and then you save. You save these settings down here, and then you save. Okay. So apply the changes. Okay. After setting that connection, shall need now to connect another, that is client, to this access point. So this is the station. So I have to bridge this station to this access point which we have created. Now let's log into this another, which will be a client mode, to bridge it to the access point we have created. Now let's go into it, admin. So remember, this station will be on the side of the switch which the cameras are connected to. So we are going to bridge it to the access point which will be on the side of the NVR. So here, create password, admin. So this station will be on block B, and the NVR is on block A. So we don't want to run a cable in between there of those buildings. So we are bridging this access point to this station. So you come here to access and select client. Here, select client, and then save. After saving, come to here to wireless. Then you'd see it's called a site survey. You come here under wireless client settings. You do a survey. So it'll be, this is the access point we created, the CNS AP. Remember, we ticked the max stream, meaning it has to be compatible with this station. So you'll come here and tick this car box here. Come here and tick it. Then lock. After ticking that box, you have to lock this AP to the station, and the station is in client mode. So it means this station, it will never lose this AP. It will never lose it. Yes. You come there and tick, and then you lock AP. Then it will ask you security password for the AP. So we put a password of 0. Then we save. Apply. Come here down and apply. See. You see this MAC address of the AP. So it's showing here it's locked. Yeah. Then you come and apply. And then save the changes here. Save the changes. So shall be waiting like seconds to see whether this station is connected to this access point. So you can come here and change the IP address so that you can identify it from the access point. So let's give it to, yeah. Then you save. Shall be waiting for the seconds. You can ping the access point when you're on the station to see whether it has bridged or it has paired to the access point. Yeah. So you see this ping, it means I'm on the station, I'm pinging access point. So it means when you're on the station, it means there is now a bridge connection from station or the client to the access point. So it means I'm having a connection from point B to point A where there is NVR. So I'm gonna put now the cameras on the PoE switch. I get a patch cord cable from PoE switch to the LAN port of the client. So when you see here in access point, it shows there is a connected station. It's a one connected station. So it means this connection is successful between point A to point B using point-to-point connection. You can even come here on access point and see the stations which are connected there. So this connection is successful. So what we need to do now to confirm that connection, when you come to the station here, you log into this station. I want to see, to confirm that the station is bridged well with the access point. So when you come down here, when you come down here on say wireless signal quality, it is 90 dBm, 100 dBm, then client enabled. So the root AP seed, it's showing the MAC address of the AP, even the AP seed name. Yeah. So it means the client is communicating with the access point, and you see it's connected 3 minutes ago. Yeah. So even if it's throughput traffic, so now there is transmission between the access point and the client. So this is the kind of configuration of you see, and these lights of the access point was lighting, and you can see now even the station is lighting. See, so you have to confirm with those LED lights, yeah. So let's set up the NVR. So to connect these cameras, so I used this IDS model with the 2 hard disks, hard drive, that is 40B. So let's set up this, and you can see whether the other cameras on building B. Okay, let's go in. Yeah. So seeing here the IP cameras, it's IP. So the moment you connect this NVR with that access point, then we will fetch those IPs of the cameras on point B, on block B. So here are these cameras. Yeah, on block B I have these 6 cameras. They're already on here. So let me see other, because I had block 3, so I've already configured those blocks. Now all the cameras I have on those blocks through point-to-point connection. So this is the product I have now. All these cameras are not on NVR, but they are on switch through point-to-point connection. IP cameras using TPLINK Pharaos point-to-point connection. Thanks for watching my page. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.